Looking for the perfect RJ45 Crimper tool to streamline your cable projects? Whether you're a networking pro or a DIY tech enthusiast, this countdown of the top 5 best RJ45 Crimper tools will help you make the right choice. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ampcom AM-568 RJ45 Crimper tools. The Ampcom AM-568R RJ45 Crimper tool is a versatile and reliable device designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with network and telephone cables. This multifunctional crimping tool supports a broad range of connectors, including Ethernet and telephone modular plugs such as RJ45, RJ11, RJ12, and RJ22. Its compatibility with various plug types, including 8P8C Ethernet and 6P4C, 6P6C, 6P2C telephone connectors, makes it an all-in-one solution for different wiring tasks. Constructed from high-quality tool steel, the Crimper boasts a durable, corrosion-resistant frame built to withstand heavy use. The tool's ergonomic design enhances user comfort during extended work sessions, featuring textured, non-slip handles that provide a firm grip while reducing hand fatigue. This careful attention to design ensures the user maintains control and applies force efficiently, increasing precision and productivity. The Ampcom AM-568R incorporates a ratchet safety release mechanism and a blade guard to deliver accurate and safe crimps every time. The ratchet system ensures connectors are firmly secured, minimizing errors and improving the pass rate of each connection. Additionally, the tool is spring-loaded, enabling quicker and smoother operation with less effort. This design helps streamline cutting, stripping, and crimping processes for various connector types. With specialized jaws for 8P and 6P connectors, the tool covers most common Ethernet and telephone plug sizes used in networking and communication installations. The self-releasing ratchet mechanism, combined with the non-slip grip handle, contributes to an easy, comfortable crimping experience without the strain commonly associated with manual crimping tools. Overall, the Ampcom AM-568R is designed to enhance efficiency, precision, and user comfort in cable assembly tasks, making it a valuable tool for anyone working with Ethernet or telephone modular plugs. Coming in at number 4, we have the Hoolnx H718 RJ45 Crimper tools. The Hoolnx H718 RJ45 Crimper tool is a professional-grade solution designed for both pass-through and non-pass-through connectors, making it highly versatile for a range of networking needs. Engineered to accommodate advanced connectors such as Cat8, Cat7, and Cat6A plugs with strain relief clips, this tool also supports all standard Cat5e, Cat6, and RJ1112 modular plugs, ensuring broad compatibility across various cable types used in modern installations. This crimper stands out with its universal functionality, being compatible with all RJ45 shielded and unshielded connectors, including RJ45 Cat5e connectors and RJ1112 connectors. Such versatility makes it an essential tool for technicians and DIY enthusiasts who work across multiple cable standards, streamlining their workflow without the need for multiple specialized tools. Designed with user comfort and efficiency in mind, the Hoolnx H718 features a compact and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand, allowing for quick, precise crimping operations even with one-handed use. Its handy size does not compromise its robustness. The sturdy build ensures reliable performance and longevity, catering well to both occasional and frequent users. Adding to its appeal, the product is backed by a customer satisfaction promise, reflecting the company's commitment to quality and service. Hoolnx offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing users with confidence and peace of mind when purchasing. If any issues arise, customers can request a refund promptly without any hassle or questions, underscoring the brand's dedication to exceeding user expectations. Overall, the Hoolnx H718 RJ45 Crimper tool merges professional functionality with user-friendly design, supporting a wide array of connector types and ensuring dependable performance for networking tasks. At number 3, the ZoeRax M7 RJ45 Crimper tools. The ZoeRax M7 RJ45 Crimper tool is a versatile and essential kit designed for anyone working with network cables, whether in professional networking setups or home installations. This all-in-one tool set combines multiple functions into a single compact device, streamlining the process of cable preparation, testing, and connection. At its core, the ZoeRax M7 serves as a multi-modular RJ45 crimper capable of handling a variety of connector types, including RJ45, RJ12, and RJ11. It supports both pass-through and regular connectors for Cat6 and Cat5e cables, making it adaptable to different network standards. This flexibility allows users to strip, cut, and crimp cables with ease, ensuring a clean and reliable connection. One standout feature of the ZoeRax M7 is its integrated cable tester. The tester efficiently detects common wiring issues such as shorts, opens, crosspairs, and other faults. Equipped with both host and remote units, it facilitates remote viewing of cable conditions and can test cables up to an impressive maximum distance of 1,000 meters. This capability is particularly useful for troubleshooting long cable runs and ensuring network integrity over large areas. The included wire cutter pliers provide precise cutting of cables and plastic core wires, helping to achieve the perfect length and clean edges needed for professional-grade connections. Alongside the cutting tools, the ZoeRax M7 offers a cable stripping tool with multiple stripping options, including a mini stripper for delicate or smaller cables. The package also features RJ45 pass-through connectors widely compatible with devices like IPTV boxes, desktop PCs, routers, and switches. To enhance durability and longevity, strain relief boots are included to protect the connectors from wear and tear, extending the overall lifespan of the network cables. Overall, the ZoeRax M7 RJ45 Crimper tool is a comprehensive solution that simplifies the complexities of network cable installation and maintenance. Its combination of crimping, testing, cutting, and stripping tools equips users with everything needed to build and maintain high-quality network connections efficiently. In the second spot, we have the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimper tools. The Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimper tool is a precision-engineered device designed to deliver reliable and efficient network cable assembly. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the tool boasts several advanced manufacturing processes that contribute to its durability and performance. The body of the crimper is laser-cut and formed using high-quality hardware molds, with threading created through precise drilling and tapping. It undergoes a quenching process that enhances strength and resistance to wear, while also being waterproof and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use in various working conditions. One of the standout features of the NW136 is its wire stripping capability. It easily handles wires with diameters less than 10 millimeters, stripping the outer sheath cleanly without damaging the delicate inner core. This makes it an ideal tool for preparing cables prior to crimping, streamlining the wiring process. The cutting blade is crafted from SK5 steel, known for its superior hardness and wear resistance. This sharp blade ensures clean, precise cuts every time, reducing the risk of frayed wires and faulty connections. When it comes to crimping, the tool offers one-time molding accuracy. Constructed from Q235 carbon steel and subjected to high-temperature quenching, the crimper achieves excellent plasticity and weldability, resulting in secure and consistent crimps on RJ45 connectors. User comfort is also a key consideration in the design. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing extended use without strain. Additionally, the iron ring design adds stability to the handle and makes the tool easy to carry around, enhancing its portability for on-the-go professionals. Furthermore, the Ugreen NW136 incorporates power-saving mechanical improvements that boost work efficiency by preventing the tool from getting stuck during operation. This thoughtful engineering makes it a reliable companion for technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike, delivering smooth and effective cable termination every time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Omay RJ45 Crimper tools. The Omay RJ45 Crimper tool is designed to meet the demands of professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require precision, durability, and efficiency in network cable preparation. This versatile 3-in-1 tool is equipped to handle a variety of cables, including 8P, 6P, and 4P connectors, making it suitable for pressing, cutting, and testing LAN and telephone cables. One of the standout features of the Omay Crimper is its high-quality SK5 steel blade. Polished multiple times, this blade ensures smooth and fast cutting with minimal effort, originating cleanly from the blade itself. The sharpness and sturdiness of the blade contribute to consistently crisp pressing and cutting, essential for reliable cable connections. The tool includes a wire stripping port marked with diameter guides, allowing users to strip various wire types such as round, flat network cables, and telephone cables. This feature simplifies the wire stripping process while protecting the internal wire cores from damage, which is critical for maintaining signal integrity. Precision is a key focus in the design of the Omay Crimper. The manufacturer has meticulously adjusted the tooth pitch, depth, and width of the crimping die to achieve one-step precision crimping. This careful calibration helps reduce the damage rate of finished cables and ensures that connectors are securely and accurately attached in a single action. Incorporating a built-in cable tester, the Omay tool also allows for immediate verification of cable functionality, streamlining the workflow by combining multiple functions into one compact device. This integrated approach supports efficient troubleshooting and quality control during cable installation or repair. Overall, the Omay RJ45 Crimper tool offers a robust, reliable solution for network cable assembly and testing. Its thoughtful design and quality materials reflect a commitment to precision and durability, catering to users who demand fast, accurate, and tough performance in their networking tools.